Hi everyone, Beth Dotson here with HomeZada. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today we're going to talk about a maintenance contractor and how they can use HomeZada to manage all their customers' properties. So if you're a maintenance contractor or a concierge maintenance service, you are going to sign up at HomeZada.com, but you're going to select professional, not consumer. So basically you're using HomeZada Professional. When you sign up for HomeZada Professional, which is free to sign up, the system will ask you to establish a branding ad. A branding ad has 4 key parts. The first is a logo for your company. The second is contact details, which is in the form of an email and a phone number. The third section is a website. And then the fourth area is social icons or social platforms that you want to be connected to. It's free to sign this up. You easily follow the path on how to get this branding ad going, and then you're ready to go. Once you've established your branding ad, you then buy a property, which is $50 a property, and you establish which customer you want to put in there. And you easily can keep buying properties once you're in the system. You establish the property for your customer. You put their address in, you set up their calendar. We will start that process for you by setting up common maintenance tips, but you can customize it as to how you want to manage this property. Once you've established that, you will then manage that particular property using HomeZada Professional. Now, using HomeZada Professional, there's a couple of benefits. One, you can have unlimited properties as long as you buy them ongoing in the system. So you can manage all of your customers in one central location, which is amazing. The second thing to keep in mind is you can also invite each one of your customers into their specific property to manage it alongside them. So that's also extremely beneficial. The homeowner can see what you're doing, and then you can also manage it as well and make it very easy for yourself. So as a maintenance contractor or a concierge maintenance service, you can go into HomeZada.com, sign up as a professional, leverage HomeZada Professional, and manage all the different maintenance tasks for all the different properties and customers you're managing, and you can actually invite them into each one of their specific properties simply by using an email address. I hope you found this interesting. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@homezada.com or visit us at www.homezada.com.